back in the days, there wasn't no AIDS, there wasn't no AKs, more alcohol.
What's happening, YouTube? Soul Collector, Kicks on Fire. You know what I'm saying? BMV, what's happening, baby? This part 2 is Shoot Game Crazy. You know what I'm saying? I'm a Green City. And I'm gonna start off with my 6 rings. You know what I'm talking about? 6 rings right here. Check them out. I mean, I got a clean shirt to go with them, you know what I'm talking about? So, that's it right there. You know what I'm saying? Receipt, 2.5 gallons, like always. Put these up real later. You know what I'm talking about? Here's my countdown packages with 16 and the 7. They only wear their shoes a couple of times, you know what I'm saying? So, and I'm waiting for next week for these to come out, you know what I'm talking about? I get my shoes early, so check them out, you know what I'm saying? I really cut for these 7s right here, man, you know what I'm saying? Oh, legit. So, like I said, once again, at 2.5 gallons. You know what I'm saying? 16 is right here. Oh yeah. I wore these like once, man. You know what I'm saying? I only wear my shoes to the barbershop for some reason. You know what I'm saying? The kids just go crazy, be like, damn, dog. Every time I see you in some fresh new joints. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, everything authentic. I don't know if you can see that right there, but it's legit. You know what I'm saying? Look at my warms right here, man. You know what I'm saying? I guess I ran out 2.5 gallons, you know what I'm saying? But I will have them on there. You know what I'm saying? Keep that fresh scent inside of there, you know what I'm saying? Last but not least, the leathers, baby. Check them out. Way before then, razor for me, with no choice, way before then. Now I'm talking about, these will be coming out again, I'm thinking, November. These coming out in November, but they got new books. See, these are leather right here, baby. The ones coming out with new books with some other stuff right here, not these, baby. Got them in 2003 in October. Through games, baby. Retro card. I'm gonna tell you guys something, man. Everybody that's collected shoes and all that, or you got TVs and all that in your crib, man, what y'all need to do is scan your receipts and keep them in a place outside the house, just in case, you know what I'm saying, your house burned down or something like that. Get insurance on your stuff, man, because it will be replaced. Get insurance, scan your receipts, man, keep your receipts different spot, man, and you know what I'm saying, you will get reimbursed, you know what I'm saying, that's just a precautious move, you know what I'm saying, and it's a smart move, you know what I'm saying. This is Shoot Game Crazy Part 2, Tammy Otis son, y'all boy, aka Maine, you know what I'm saying. I will be posting up another video next month, man. Till then, man, y'all take care, homeboy, homegirls, you heard me?